guys, welcome to HQ TV Nigeria. I'm your host for today, Ero Samson Osaze. If you're yet to like and comment on our videos, please ensure to like and comment on our videos, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel, HQ TV Nigeria. Also turn on the notification button so as to get exciting and quality content like this one for your viewing pleasures. Here we go straight to the world of football, where on Boxing Day, Arsenal and Arteta successfully thumped Frank Lampard and his boys at the Emirates. 3 goals to 1. Goals from Alexander Lacazette, Granit Xhaka and Bukayo Saka were enough to secure the first victory for Arteta and his boys since November the 1st, 2020. Yeah, today on 28th of December 2020, we're going to the streets to hear the views of our fans as regards Mikel Arteta. Should he go or should he stay? Some fans have called and clamored for him to leave the club. That the 3-1 victory doesn't change anything, as Arsenal are still lying 14th on the table. Or should he stay? He can steady the ship. They said he won the trophy last season for them after defeating likes of Manchester City as well as Chelsea in the FA Cup. That he knows what he's doing. As it is now, report has that the dressing room of Arsenal are divided as regards the head coach and the way he has frozen out some players. So we delve into the streets as we like to hear what our fans and listeners have to say about Mikel Arteta and the situation surrounding him at the Emirates. Do you think Arsenal should sack Arteta?
No, Arsenal should not sack Arteta.
Why? Why do you think Arsenal should not sack Arteta?
If you are to look at Arteta as inception when he came in, he has performed very well compared to what Wenger used to do. In the time past, our defense have not been stable. But ever since Arteta stepped in, our defense line has been very stable. If you look at the combination of Ceballos, Luis, and Bellerin, you find out that the stability is far more better compared to when we used to have Koscielny and the rest. So we find out that there are lapses there. Yes. More importantly, the confidence the team has against big teams has improved as compared to when Wenger used to be there. So these days we might be having draws. You'll find out that in this season our draw is much more than the losses, but the winning since November has not been consistent. But then if Arteta is giving more time, believe you me, top 10, top 4, you'll be there by next season.
No, I really don't think so, because maybe they should just give him some little time for him to adapt with the players he signed during the transfer window. Concerning his new signing, this party from Atletico Madrid, the guy is really trying, but based on injury issues, so he needs those players to come back so that he can have his first team ready. Based on Arsenal-Chelsea match, that was yesterday, right? So on Friday, Saturday. So looking at the first 11 he used against Chelsea, I really don't think Arsenal can beat Chelsea in that match. So because looking at those players, they are not mature enough. Right. No, sincerely speaking, they are not mature enough to play Chelsea on Saturday. But maybe based on confidence or whatever, they came into the match and they played well and they have the win. So he really tried.
No. You know, game of football is something that I believe it is opportunity. And once you get the opportunity, if you feel like you are a god. Okay. Maybe if the law go against you, people will be saying bad things about you, forgetting the past you have achieved. Like the coach is a new coach and maybe he has not had experience. We did that. This thing that happened, he's supposed not be sacked. He's supposed to at least give him some chance. Maybe the next time the law may come on him and he may bring Arsenal to a high grade.
I don't think Arsenal should sack him because I fear they should give him a chance.
Why?
Because every team has its own ups and downs. You understand? They shouldn't just rush and sack him like that. Because you give him a chance because it might still improve.
I'm not sure. No.
Why do you think he should not be sacked?
Although for now, I know he shouldn't be sacked. He should be given some time. But if you can give it some time, because I'm not sure. I just came in recently that it's not that very long. Once you give him some time, he can adapt to some features. Although he's somehow stubborn like that, Sha, he should also give this guy Ozil. He should also give him a privilege so that he should show he should not be stubborn like that. I didn't give Ozil some time. You should just call him so that everything will be normal. Everything is time, Sha. I don't think he should be sacked.
Yeah, in my own opinion, I feel Arteta should be sacked because last season he didn't make any impact to the team. Arsenal wasn't able to enter top 3, and that was more of a good coach. A good coach should make an impact to the team.
Wow. So,
Okay.
So, who do you think should replace Mikel Arteta?
Okay. Actually, from the tactics of Arsenal, I feel the person that could replace Arteta actually should be Guardiola. Wow. But he's in Man City currently now. Yeah. Because Guardiola could make an impact on Arsenal team because it's a tiki-taka team. Wow. Like, they need a coach that could bring in tactics and improve the squad of those boys.
No, wow. I don't think Arsenal should start Arteta. Okay. Because Arteta is a guy that I like so much. So I think the only problem Arsenal have is they need to buy some new players. Okay. They need to buy some new players. That's the only problem I think Arsenal have.
Alright, this is THQ TV Nigeria. I'm still your host for the day, Ero Samson Nosaze. Don't forget to like and comment on our videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as turn on the YouTube notification. Till we come your way next time, stay blessed and stay safe. Bless.